everybody, it's Craig with R.E.S.T and Auction. This is that Unverferth 1015 grain cart. Now this one was purchased brand new from Dinkel Implement in Norfolk. John bought this one a few years ago, brand new. He's been the only owner. When it ain't in the field during harvest, it's always been kept in the shed. We showed you the pictures inside and some videos. The slide works absolutely good. The auger folds out, folds in. You got your swing rotation on your nozzle. Now the only thing we weren't able to hook up, guys, again, as we told you, was the PTO because we got the smaller 1000 PTO on that tractor. We couldn't quite run this one with that tractor, but we guarantee it to be absolutely good. Tarp's in good conditions, no ribs, tears, nothing like that. Lots of tread. You got your lower hatch here for draining your corn, cleaning out your auger. Lighting's in great shape, guys. And like I said, if John owned it, it had the best care, kept in the shed. Make sure, if you don't believe me, you come check us out August 14th at the open house. You won't regret checking this one out, guys.